is level 7 birds ballet for Peter Pan. Wait first 6 count. Next 3 6 counts. Groups run in, flying arms to form a V formation. 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and then in the back. When everyone gets here, we all turn in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and tombolet. Waltz 2, 3, tombolet. Waltz 2, 3, run around the partner, switch places, and bourrée turn on to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Making a circle. Tombolet. Run, 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 run. Tombolet. Run, 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 run. 4 split box or 2 Sungu turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Running for 2 lines in the middle. And pose on the downstage leg, arms crossed, as Wendy runs up through the middle. From here, the music changes into 8 counts, and we wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 envoûtés. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sungu turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everyone runs to the right to form a circle around Wendy in the middle. And we wait. Now every other person does. Waltz 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Turns to run towards Wendy in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's every other person. From here, we make 2 circles doing tombolettes. And tombolet, chasse, tombolet, chasse. 2 8s, chasse, tombolet, chasse. Run into formation. Wendy in the back, holding hands, little swan style. Right foot behind this position. And we go. 3 pas de chasse. 1, 2, 3. Changement. Other way. 1, 2, 3. Changement. 3 pas de bourrées. Pas de bourrée. Pas de bourrée. Pas de bourrée. Up onto the left foot and arabesque. Letting go of hands. Up and down. Once again, every other person. Run, run, jump. Chasse, turn. We all go. Waltz, waltz, drag, turn, flap wing, 7, 8. Switch legs, 2, lean back, 3, 4, switch again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chasse, 2, 3, 4. Crochet. Everyone runs up, following Wendy, running in a circle until the very end to hit whatever bird-like pose in the back right corner of the stage.